For making a scrunchie, you will need a glue gun, needle and thread, rubber bands and cloth pieces. Take any circular object. I chose a glass and put the rubber band around it. Insert the cloth between the rubber band and the glass. Then you just need to fold the edges and stick them together with the help of a glue gun. After you are done with sticking the whole cloth, you need to fold the ends and stick them together. Repeat the same process for sewing method, but instead of a glue gun, you need to use a thread. Make sure that the side which you want outside should be inside when you insert the cloth. Start sewing along the edges. After completing it till the end, take out the rubber band and flip the fabric inside out. It takes a bit long, but it isn't hard. After flipping it completely, sew the ends together and your scrunchie is ready.